everyone, today we'll be doing subtraction using the column method. We have here 358 minus 25. I just want to deal with that sign first, or the symbol or operation. I've said that this means minus, which means that we are working out the difference, and we're going to be having a much lesser number than 358 because we are minusing and we're taking from that number. Right, okay, now that we've looked at what the subtraction sign means, or the less than, or the takeaway sign, let's look at the numbers. There are some differences in the numbers. We can see that this one has a 3-digit, this one is a 3-digit number, and this one is only a 2-digit number, which then means that each number has a different place value. Right, so with number 8, looking always at the back number or the end number, the end number is always a ones number. And I can write that down as being 8 ones, or I can even do 8 dots. And that represents 8 ones, okay? Because I've got 8 dots there. Now, moving on, since we've ticked it off on here, the next place value on our list here is tens, which means that that is what this 5 would be, 5 tens. And 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Moving on, we have 3 by itself, okay? We've looked at ones, we've looked at tens, and the only thing that's left outstanding is 100. So this 3 represents 100, and also if we multiply 3 by 100, we'd come to 300. Okay, so the 3 represents 300, the 5 represents 50, and the 8 represents 8, or 8 ones. Moving on, we have 25. We can see that this is a 2-digit number. Again, we start off with the back number or the end number. We know that that is representing ones, so I can write that down, and I can even do the dots to show that it is 5 ones. Moving on, the next thing on our list is tens. That means that this 2 represents tens. I'm going to write that there. And 2 times 10 comes to 20. So now that we know what all of our digits or numbers represent, let's actually line them up in the correct order. Of course, we've got to put the bigger number at the start because we are minusing and we are taking away 25 from 358. So 358 goes on the top, we are taking away from that, and now we are left with the 25. The 5 has to be under, so I'm just labeling there, labeling the place value of all of the numbers. The 5 has got to be underneath the 8, because 8 ones here, so 5 has got to be underneath the 8. And then we've got 2 tens, which has to be underneath the tens column, which will be underneath the 5 from the 358. Now, let's start subtracting. We're going to need to get a lesser number than what we've started off with. So, 8 minus 5, okay, we've got to keep 8 in our minds, and we are taking away 5 from that. So if we're counting down, we would go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I've counted 5 and I've come to 3. Now, looking here again, we've got 5 minus 2, keep 5 in your mind. Let's remove 2, 4, 3. 3 sits here. And then we've got 3 minus nothing. 3 minus nothing is equal to 3. So our answer is 333. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my video.